Beyond this view lies a story. Welcome to another vlog from Above and Beyond TV. Along the southeastern coast of Cebu stands the Archdiocesan Shrine of Patrocinio de Maria Santissima, commonly known as Boljoon Church. It is a Roman Catholic church dedicated to Our Lady of the Patronage in the municipality of Boljoon, Cebu, Philippines, under the Archdiocese of Cebu. It has been declared a National Cultural Treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines and a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. It is also under consideration of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of the Philippines as a member of the Baroque Churches of the Philippines. Construction of this church began in 18th century under the Augustinian order, using coral stone quarried from the surrounding sea. Built by hand, its massive walls reflect both devotion and the ingenuity of the early Filipino craftsmanship. Kapag dumaan ka sa Boljoon, hindi mo maiiwasang mapalingon sa simbahang ito. Isang tanawin na humihikayat sa mga bisita na huminto, humanga at tuklasin ang makasaysayang kwento sa likod ng mga pader nito. This is Boljoon Church, located in South Cebu, seen from above and felt through time. You've seen the outside, now we're opening the doors. Join us in the next episode as we explore the interior of Boljoon Church, a space shaped by devotion and time. Thank you for watching.